so funny.
What we say?
Cheese.
No, not cheese.
Trick or treat.
Treat your tree.
There you go. Will you sing the Wanda Cubby song, Bubba? Bubby, sing the Cubby song. Sing your Cubby song.
I want cookies. I want.
Jesus loves us. Yeah, he's getting
And I like y'all's light on your shirts.
Yeah, we're ready.
Wait till you get up there.
Look, trick or treat.
What do you say?
Trick or treat, trick or treat. Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you say, Grace?
Thank you. Thank you.
Trick or treat.
Your blue's clothes, aren't you?
Thanks.
Grace.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. There you are welcome. You guys have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
No, maybe.
There's Miss Gracie. How are you, girl? How about a glow bracelet? How about a glow bracelet? There you go. You guys have fun.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey girl, how are you? Good. So thank you.
Somebody else want one?
All right, Bubba. This way. Bubba. All right, here we go. You ready? Let's walk up and say hi.
There you go, Bill Fit.
Come here. Come here. Go give him a hug.
How are you, Gracie? You doing okay? Y'all had fun. I'm good, I'm bad.
Whoa, easy there, Sparky.
I guess we're just for the full thing falls down.
Hey man, fist pound right here, Sparky. Yeah. You do.
You the man.
You the man.
Hey, y'all have a good time in here.
Easy on that thunder in that outfit. Hey! All right, we're gonna go drive a fire truck real quick. Hey, hush.
And you can have that too.
Sorry.
You can
Get an
have candy
eraser.
too.
Come here.
You can have an
How you
eraser.
doing, Major?
Hey, pretty good. How you doing, buddy?
Doing good.
You want a blue dog?
And you know what to do if your clothes catch on fire?
I know.
What do you do? What do you do?
Strawberry drop in the road.
That's very good. You can do it here if you want to, or I can have my assistant there do it. Either way.
Maybe
Show us how you
the
stop, drop, and roll, Grace.
He's pretty reliable. He can do it. Show him how you do it. Remember, always put your hands over your nose and mouth now. See, okay.
Good
Very
job.
He's got all kinds of energy.
Good
Okay, follow that blue line back there, and I'll take you back there to the fire prevention trailer.
Awesome.
Thank y'all for coming.
Our pleasure. What's up, man? Come on. This way, bub. This way. We go this way.
Oh, Gracie, you went on this safety house, didn't you?
Get her supper. That's the favorite.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all like my candy?
Yeah.
Y'all want some?
Yeah.
All right.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.